The Bridge at Avignon on page 7. I'm going to turn my metronome on so I know we're not going to speed up or slow down while we are practicing this piece. And please remember to use the entire length of the bow from the frog to the tip and tip to the frog. Playing position. Your thumb is at the side of the neck. Your elbow is right underneath the instrument. Fingers linger over the string. Make sure your fingers on your bow hold are spread apart. I'm looking ahead and I have my third finger G on the D string. Here we go. Third finger G is on the D string. After 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up bow. Full bow to the frog, all the way to the tip. 1, 2, 3, 4, A. Down bow, up bow. And stop, freeze at the frog, and then put your violin down.